One of the biggest misconceptions that a lot of people have when it comes to home theater system or a home theater room is that for a home theater room with a projector and screen, you definitely need to have a big size room. Well, if this was something that even you thought, then as explained in one of our Mythbuster videos, which you can check using the link above, I'm actually going to practically prove it to you. Now, how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to take you to one of our theater room setups wherein the room size is the smallest that we have kind of ever done. The width of the room is around 11 feet and the depth of the room is somewhere around 13 to 14 feet. Now, for this room size, we have created a home cinema experience which has got one of the fantastic appreciations, not just from the client, but even from our team as well as from the associated agencies put efforts to create this wonderful home cinema room. Without wasting any more of your time, let us go into that setup room. So the client was referred to us by their designers, Spacemake Designers Private Limited, which is a company based out of Pune. The project is also located in Pune, and with the long history that we have had with the architects for most of their projects, they definitely knew that for this small room, which has got a little complicated layout, which I am going to explain you, they definitely knew that we would be the right partners to help them come up with the right solution. So they referred the client to us, and before referring, they sent out their drawings. Now, if you look at the drawings, the entrance door, which is on a wall, which is a partition wall. So one of the biggest challenges over here was that mounting the front 3 speakers was just not possible in the front area behind the screen, because at the back of this screen wall was actually a storage unit which is right at the entrance of the entire home. So considering this challenge as well as the surround speaker placement challenge with the bay window at the back and one washroom door in the left, we really had to work around to get the right solutions. Now, after a lot of permutations and combinations, we finalized one concrete solution that matched customer's pocket as well as gave him the desired experience that he was looking for. So the room, which was previously looking like this, now looks like this. Now, apart from the AV equipments, we all know that there are two important factors that contribute in getting a great home cinema experience. The first one is acoustic and the second one is a good setting layout or a good setting option to take care of a comfortable viewing experience. So what we decided out here is that the acoustic was done using fabric based paneling and the sitting was taken care using a sofa cum bed considering the room's dimensions limitation. Let us now look at the AV components, because I am pretty sure that you are excited to know the configuration of the system. Well, to give you a brief gist, this room boasts a 4K projection, which is a 4K upscale projection using an Epson EHTW 7100 4K projector, and the Atmos configuration is with a 5.1.2 surround sound format support. The screen size is 100 inches considering the limitation that we have had due to the door. So right next to the door, we have had a very small space of close to 95 to 100 inches, and we really managed to put up this 100 inches screen right between the acoustic paneling and the door. Now let us look at the front 3 speakers. As mentioned earlier, due to the storage cabinet which needs to be accessed from behind, in-wall speakers was not possible. Floor standing speaker was again not possible because we had to maintain the height of the screen, and floor standing, as we all know, consume a good height and it would have overlapped on the screen. So then what we did is that we decided to go for angled in-ceiling speakers from a brand called Sonus Faber. So the speakers, as you can see, are the Sonus Faber PC562P, the angled in-ceiling speakers, which has got enough angle to give you the front soundstage from the top. The surround speakers are again from Sonus Faber. The model number is Sonus Faber PW562, ensuring that the 5-channel main speakers are having a good tonal balance using the same brand or the same series of the brand. Now, it was only for the Atmos speakers that we had to compromise to another brand which has got a closest tonal quality similar to the Sonus Faber speakers, and that's why we opted to go in for fine audio speakers considering the high escalation of cost with Sonus Faber. Now, when you go for all in-wall or all in-ceiling speaker combination, the biggest drawback is to get the right bass, because these in-wall or angled in-ceiling speakers do not have enough bass to cater to the low frequency requirements of the room. So that's why over here we again stick to the Fine Audio subwoofer, which is a ported subwoofer. Fine Audio F3.10 is the model number, and it delivers close to 350 watts of peak power in this room. Now this entire system is driven by Marantz SR5015 AV receiver, because as we all know, Sonos Faber are all 4 ohm speakers, which means that they are going to draw a lot of power, and a normal Denon X 2800H or a 2700H wouldn't have made good justice to the system. That's why we decided to elevate the performance using a stable and a robust Marantz AV receiver. Now the most glamorous part in this entire home cinema room, which is actually elevating the entire experience, is the ceiling. The custom hand-painted false ceiling is really making sure that one feels as if they are sitting right open in the sky. Now this was all me praising my team's work and the entire system that we have created. But let us also listen what the customer has to say about this room.
गुड आफ्टरनून। हमने जब नए घर का इंटीरियर स्टार्ट किया तो मेरे बेटे को थिएटर रूम बनाने का बहुत शौक था, तो उसने काफ़ी जगह पूछा किससे बनवाना है। फिर तन्मय सर का नाम उसके सामने आया तो उन्होंने तन्मय सर से कांटेक्ट किया और हमारा थिएटर रूम बहुत अच्छा बना है। जो भी हमारे घर में आता है, बच्चा हो बड़ा हो, सबको वही रूम सबसे अच्छा लगता है, सब उसमें एंजॉय करते हैं। और तन्मय सर की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी थी, जैसा मेरे बेटे को चाहिए था सेम वैसा रूम उन्होंने बना के दिया, स्पीकर्स को पेंट वगैरह करके एकदम सेम। तो मैं तन्मय सर के काम से बहुत खुश हूँ, बहुत हैप्पी हूँ। थैंक यू।
So this was our small yet one of the beautiful home cinema rooms created in the recent past. In case you want to design such amazing home cinema rooms, then don't forget to use the link that is shared above as well as in the description, because we have got some exciting projects coming across India. Yes, across India. So don't forget to check these links, while I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will continue to bring in more such amazing setup tools that we have created. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.